Welcome to our channel Fresh Food. Here is a recipe for perfectly boiled eggs. Place eggs in a vessel and add water. Water should be 1 inch above the eggs so that the eggs are fully submerged. Once the water gets boiled, you can lower the flame and keep it on a simmer without putting a lid over it, or you can also keep a lid to cover the pot. Allow the eggs to sit in the hot water for the following times: 3 minutes for soft boiled, 6 minutes for medium boiled, 12 minutes for hard boiled. I always prefer to keep it for 12 to 15 minutes on low flame until the eggs crack by itself. Sometimes it is not cracked, but still it's done. Once the eggs are completely cooked, transfer the eggs under the running tap water or normal water in a vessel until the eggs are completely cooled before peeling them. Tap them gently on the bottom thicker end first, as it's easier to get under the membrane when you start peeling from the bottom. Then continue to peel the shell off. I've tried this method a number of times and I was amazed how the eggs peel off easily. Do you know what causes the eggs to peel easily? As eggs mature, moisture escapes through the pores in the shell while air passes through the pores. The inside of the egg begins to shrink slightly while the air pocket in the tip of the egg expands. This results in the shell loosening from the egg white, making them much easier to peel. Do you know the health benefits of eggs? Eggs are a rich source of protein, rich in choline, omega-3. They're good for pregnant women and good source of energy. Did you know eggs raise HDL, that is good cholesterol, and improve nutrient adequacy of the diet? They do not increase blood cholesterol and can help to promote weight loss. Eggs help to promote brain health and prevent cataracts and protect eyesight. It provides best quality protein and help to protect our bones, promote healthy hair and nails.